Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We put the x go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, number 1, I will put into 2 minus 1. So number 2 and number 2, we can do about factorization. And this one divide by this one, so we have number 2. And now we have the final answer. The integration of dy, we have y. The integration of number 2, we have 2x. The integration of 1 over x plus 1, we have ln of the absolute value of x plus 1, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.